How's it going, everyone? It's me Flexkey and welcome back to my channel again. It's been a long time since I haven't posted any video, but today I bought you some surprise. And it's a keyboard. It's not just a keyboard, it's a gaming keyboard. And it's under $100. It's a Keychron K2 version 2. It's a Gateron Brown Switch keyboard. That means it's not too loud, neither too quiet. It's in the between line. You know what I mean? That means when you're like playing games at late at night, or when you're like typing something or like programming or coding, that's what I would use it for, right? So it's not too loud. I like it not too quiet or not too loud. I just like it in the between range. That means I like this keyboard with this Gateron Brown Switch. It's just better. You know what I mean? Let's check it out. First of all, it got RGB light. That means I can change the color every time I type something, or I can just make him customizable. You know, I can do anything with it just by the press of this button. So I can make anything I want. And it's really cool, right? Under $100. It's pretty damn strong too. Look at that. You see that? It's really strong. It came with command key in the package, but it also has Windows keys, so you can just replace it. It's easy. It's one-step process. And it uses USB-C port. That means you can charge it, or you can just plug it to your computer. And it also has macOS and Windows button. So this keyboard can connect up to 3 devices. That means you can use it with your phone, a laptop, and a computer at the same time. Isn't it great? And also this keyboard can last up to 72 hours. That means you can keep typing all day. You can write a whole movie and this keyboard won't die. If it dies, it's alright. Just plug it to your computer and it lasts forever with you. I have no complaint with this keyboard. The way key travels, the way keys are stabilized, the way key doesn't even move a little bit. It's really good and a strong keyboard, to be honest. I like the sound with this keyboard. It's pleasuring. It's not too loud, or like it doesn't make you feel irritated if you like use it for a long time. It's really good keyboard. After using the keyboard for half an hour, I feel different. I feel a lot of change now. I feel like, damn, where was I been all this time, bro? Like, this is the real keyboard. This is the real deal. For like $100, this is the real deal. Don't look at any other keyboard if you want a keyboard, but there's one consequences. You don't have a number pad. If you don't really care about the number pad, if you are not like a big business owner, you don't need to care about the number pad. But if you're gaming, if you are like, whoa, I need a keyboard, but I don't have a lot of money. Damn, this is the keyboard, bro. You got RGB light. You got really, really good, strong keys. Look at it doesn't even move, all right? So the greatest thing about this keyboard is it's made out of aluminum frame. That means it doesn't look cheap. It looks really good, and it's strong too because it's made out of aluminum. And it will stand forever with you guys. Until you die, it will be with you. Every time you press on the keyboard, you'll feel the steps of your foot walking towards the heaven's door. You feel like that. If you like my YouTube video, please make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. It'll help me a lot. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you next time.